In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix and edit mobile view on Shopify. When you are designing your Shopify store, it is important to check how everything looks on a phone, not just on a desktop screen. Many customers shop on mobile devices, and a layout that looks perfect on a laptop can feel crowded or misaligned on a smaller screen. The good news is that Shopify makes it simple to switch into a mobile preview while you edit your theme, so you can adjust with confidence and see results right away. First, go to your Shopify admin and head into Online Store. From there, open Themes. This is where your current theme is listed, along with any other themes you may have installed. Find the theme you are currently using, and then click the option to edit the theme. In most cases, this opens the theme editor, where you can change sections, settings, and content while previewing the storefront. Once you are in the theme editor, take a moment to notice the top right area of the screen. You should see a row of small icons near the Save button. These icons control how the preview is displayed, and they are especially useful when you want to focus on mobile design. Now, click the mobile icon. As soon as you select it, the preview area switches into a smartphone-sized layout. This is your mobile view. It shows you how your store appears to shoppers using a phone, including spacing, text wrapping, button sizes, and the way images stack or crop. As you make edits in the theme settings, keep an eye on the mobile preview. This helps you catch issues early, like headings that take up too many lines, images that feel too tall, or sections that are in the right order on desktop but not as smooth on mobile. If you ever want to compare how the same changes look on a larger screen, you can simply switch back by using the other view icons next to the mobile icon. Finally, remember to save your work when you are happy with what you see. Toggling into mobile view does not automatically save anything, so saving is what locks in your changes. And that is all there is to it.